rabbit. You all know regular Pictionary, but what about twisted Pictionary? So here are a few examples on what you can do differently with Pictionary as a teaser to introduce vocabulary. Number 1, blindfolded Pictionary. Okay, here's the pen, here's the board, and go!
It's a person.
Nope.
It's a
Nope.
no.
Nope.
It's a giant.
It's outside.
Oh, it's looking. It's running. It's running. It's climbing. It's hiking. It's cycling.
It's
camping.
Actually, it's camping.
Yay!
Excellent. Good job, Agatha. Good job. Okay. Number 2, Jeopardy Pictionary. So instead of saying it's camping, it's swimming, you make it a question. What sport do you do in the water? Swimming. Okay. What activity needs a tent? Camping. Okay. So okay, who wants to draw it? Lucy?
Okay, I'll draw.
Okay.
It's a hair cutter. Getting your hair cut.
Ask a question.
Who cuts your hair?
No.
What do you do when you talk? You talk very loudly.
Okay.
Really? Okay. What do you do with instruments? How do you accompany instruments?
Yes, singing. That's good. Okay.
It is singing.
Difficult, but interesting. Number 3 is the erase race. So, I need 2 people. Yeah, okay. Agatha and Heather. Heather, you're going to draw, okay? But while you are drawing, imagine a tent, Agatha will have to erase with a tiny, tiny piece of toilet paper, okay? So you have to draw fast, okay? And you have to guess what it is. Okay? Ready? So you can already erase that. Let me show you what you will draw. You will draw this. Okay? Lucy, you ready to guess?
I am ready.
And go!
Is it camping?
No.
Is it camping? Is it hiking?
No.
Is it infinity?
No, continue.
Is it cycling?
No.
Fishing!
Yes! Excellent, good job. Number 4, human Play-Dough. So instead of using a board and a marker, we're gonna draw with people. Okay? So I need 2 people for this. Okay, you 2.
Okay.
And Heather?
Okay.
I will make you guess something. I'll make you guess this, okay? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
And
Painting.
yes, painting. That one was easy, but good job. Okay, so just different ways to use Pictionary as a teaser for your class, depending on what vocabulary you want to learn. Thanks.